Hello dear friends, welcome to RK channel.
Hi friends, this is last year AP IIIT question paper. The set of question paper name is RGUKT set. The last year conducted 2020. Total number of questions 100 in this question paper. This set contains 100 questions. Question number from 1 to 50 mathematics. Now I will explain mathematics part. First question, express 0.358 as a rational number. 0.358, the number of decimals 3, this can be written as 358 minus non-recurring decimal 3 by number of decimals 3 can be written as 10 to the power of 3, number of non-recurring decimal 1, 10 to the power of 1. Equal to 8 minus 5, 8 minus 3, 5, 5, 3 by 10 cube 1000 minus 10 equal to 355 by 990. This is option C correct. Next question, which one of the following statement is false? Every fraction is a rational number. This statement is correct. Every rational number is a fraction. This statement is incorrect. So false. In this question, second B option B correct. Every integer is a rational number. Okay. True. 0 is a rational number. True. So false answer B. Next, third question. If n is a natural number, then 9 to the power of 2n minus 4 to the power of 2n is always divisible by 9 minus 4 equal to 5. Option A correct. Next question. 4 logarithm of 1 plus log 1 by 2 plus log 2 by 3 plus log 3 by 4 plus and so on. Log, in this question this is wrong. Log 99 by 100 plus log 100. You know that log 1 value 0, log 100 is equal to 2. So log x plus log y plus log z and so on. This value can be written as log 1 by 2 plus into log 2 by 3 into 3 by 4 into and so on 99 by 100. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 and so on 99, 99 cancel. Then remaining value logarithm of 1 by 100. 1 by 100 can be written as 10 to the power of minus 2 or minus 2 into log 10. Minus 2 into log 10 is equal to 1 is equal to minus 2. This is minus 2 plus 2. Get cancelled. Then result is 0. Next one. Fifth problem. Is always A minus B and B minus A are disjoint sets. The intersection of two disjoint sets are empty set. Option A correct. Next question, sixth problem. Which one of the following is not true? Not true. A proper subset B, then A union B is equal to n of B. A union B, if A proper subset of B, A union B is equal to B. A intersection B is equal to A. So n of A union B is equal to n of B. Correct. If A proper subset B, A difference B is equal to pi. So A difference B, the set A and set B all elements are get cancelled, then this is also correct. So if A proper subset B, then A intersection B is equal to A actually. This is pi answer, wrong answer. Not true, option C. Next question, seventh problem. If set A is equal to 2, 3, 4, set B is equal to 3, 4, 5, then which of the following are true? A minus B. Except common elements, both set, the remaining elements in first set. So 3, 4, 3, 4 get cancelled. The remaining elements in first set A, 2. This is true. Next, B minus A. Except common elements in first set and second set, the remaining elements in first set. There are common elements 3, 4, the remaining element 5. This answer is true. Next, A union B minus A intersection B, or you can use Venn diagram. This is simply the both sets common element 3 and 4. The set A elements 2, 3, 4 and set B elements 3, 4, 5. This is universal set. Okay, A minus B, the shaded region is A minus B, the shaded region is B minus A. A minus B is equal to set 2, B minus A is equal to set 5, A union B is equal to, so all elements 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 2, 3, 4, 5 minus set of A intersection B is equal to 3 and 4. Except common elements, the remaining elements in set 2, 5. So option D correct, all of these. Next problem 8. If two zeros of the polynomial xg plus x square minus 9x minus 9 are minus 3 and 3, then its third zero is, sum of the zeros formula alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. Alpha is equal to minus 3, beta is equal to 3, plus gamma is equal to a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 9, d is equal to minus 9, minus b by a, minus b is equal to 1, a is equal to 1, 1 by 1, plus 3 minus 3 cancel, r is equal to, gamma is equal to minus 1. Answer A correct. Next problem, question number 9. If alpha, beta, gamma are the zeros of the polynomial 5x cube plus 2x square minus 3x plus 5, then which of the following is not true? Here a is equal to 5, b is equal to 2, c is equal to minus 3, d is equal to 50. Sum of the zeros alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a, minus b is equal to 2, a is equal to 5. This answer is correct. Next, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a. C is equal to minus 3, a is equal to 5. Yes, it is correct. Product of the zeros alpha into beta into gamma is equal to minus d by a. D is equal to 50, a is equal to 5. Equal to minus 50 by 5. 5 ones are 5 tens are. So minus 10. C, answer C correct. Alpha beta gamma is equal to minus 10 by alpha beta gamma is equal to minus 2 by 5. Minus minus cancel. 2 ones are 2 fives are 5 fives are 25. So except D answer wrong. The remaining A, B, C are correct. So not true. So D answer is correct in this problem. Next question number 10. Assertion sum of the zeros of x square minus 2x minus 8 is 2. This is a quadratic expression. Sum of the zeros formula alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, equal to minus of minus 2 by 1, minus into minus plus 2. Assertion correct. Reason, if alpha beta are the zeros of ax square plus bx plus c, then sum of the zeros alpha plus beta minus b by a correct. So this is c by a, wrong answer. The correct answer A is true but R is false. Option C correct. Next question, 11th bit. Which one of the following does not passes through the origin? The line is passing through origin. The curve is passing through the origin. This curve is also passing through the origin. So option D does not passes through the origin. So 11th bit option D correct. Next 12th bit. Match the following. 3x minus y is equal to 1. 6x minus 2y equal to 5. Check options. So coincident lines, intersecting lines, parallel lines. The two lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, not equal to b1 by b2. Intersection lines conditions a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Coincident lines condition a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. parallel lines condition a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. So x coefficient a1 3 by 6, 3 ones are 3 twos equal to 1 by 2. Next y coefficient minus 1, here y coefficient minus 2, so minus minus cancel is equal to 1 by 2. Constant c1 1, c2 is equal to 5, 1 by 5. So 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 is not equal to 1 by 5. So parallel lines. So first question answer R. So first you can check the options. So first question B R and C first question R options. So again check these two options. Next second question 4x plus 6y is equal to 7. 4 by a2 is equal to 12. Next b1 is equal to 7, b1 is equal to 6, b2 is equal to 18, c1 is equal to 7, c2 is equal to 21. 4 ones are 4 threes, 6 ones are 6 threes, 7 ones are 7 threes. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Coincident lines. So second question option P. Second question option P, the correct answer is B. So if it be chances, you can check third question also. 4 by 8, 7 by 10, 4 ones are 4 twos, 1 by 2 not equal to 7 by 2. So these two lines are intersecting lines. Answer Q. Third question answer Q. Next question, divide 62 into two parts. There is 62, the sum of the two numbers x plus y is equal to 62. First part x, second part y. Such that fourth part of x means x by 4. And 2/5 part of the second y, 2/5 part 2 by 5y. The second are in the ratio 2:3. So x by 4 is to 2 by 5 y is equal to 2:3. So x by 4 by 2 by 5 y is equal to 2 by 3. So this is 5x by 4 twos are 8y is equal to 2 by 3. Let 5x is equal to 2k, 8y is equal to 3k. Implies x is equal to 2 by 5k, y is equal to 3 by 8k. X plus y is equal to 62. X is equal to 2 by 5k plus y is equal to 3 by 8k equal to 62. LCM 8 5s are 40, 8 2s are 16k, 3 5s are 15k equal to 62. 15 plus 16, 31k. 31k by 40 is equal to 62. 31 ones are 13, 1 twos are 2 40s are 80. Therefore k is equal to 80. K is equal to 80. Substitute in this equation. X is equal to 2 by 5 into k. X is equal to 2 by 5 into k is equal to 80. 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30, 16 twos are 32. X is equal to 32. X is equal to 32. Y is equal to 3 by 8 into k is equal to 80. 8 ones are 8 tens are 10 threes are 30. Then option B is correct answer. Next problem 14. If x by b is equal to y by a, comma bx plus ay is equal to a square plus b square, then which of the following is true? By verification, if x is equal to b, b by b, b get cancelled 1. Y is equal to a cancel 1. 1 is equal to 1. Or x is equal to b, b into b, b square plus a into a square equal to a square plus b square or b square plus a square. Then option A and option B correct. Both options A and B are correct. Next question. Next 15th question. If the sum of the roots of the quadratic equation 3x square plus 2k plus 1 into x minus k plus 5 is equal to 0 is equal to the product of the roots. Sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to the product of the roots alpha into beta. Alpha plus beta formula minus b by a is equal to alpha into beta is equal to c by a cancel. Minus b is equal to c, or b plus c is equal to 0. Here b is equal to 2k plus 1 plus c is equal to minus of k plus 5 equal to 0. So 2k plus 1 minus k minus into plus minus 5 equal to 0. 2k minus k, 1 minus 5, 4, minus 4 transpose to r is said plus 4. Answer C correct. Next problem, 16th. Match the following. 2x square minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. Real and equal roots. Real and equal roots means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Real, distant or irrational number. b square minus 4ac greater than 0. Real, distant and rational number. This condition also greater than 0. So imaginary root less than 0. Here irrational coefficients, the given quadratic equation, the irrational coefficients root 3x square plus 2 root 2x minus 2 root 3. So fourth question answer Q. Irrational. Real, distant, here also real, distant, but here coefficient rational. So except this first two and third may be rational numbers, but these two are irrational. Root 6 irrational number, root 3 irrational number, root 2 irrational number, root 3. So now we can check. 2x square minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. A 2, b minus 7, c 5. b square minus 7 whole square 49 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. 49 minus 40 equal to 9. This is greater than 0. The roots are real and distant rational number. First question answer R. First question answer R. Only one option is there. Then answer is C. Okay. Check next question. B is equal to minus 2 root 6. Minus 2 root 6 whole square. Minus 4 into A is equal to 3 and C is equal to 2. 2 square 4, root 6 whole square 6, 4 6 are 24, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. 24 minus 24 is equal to 0. The roots are real and equal. So second bit answer P. So second one answer P. No need for calculation the remaining three questions, third and fourth. So only one option is there. The answer is C. Enough. Next question, 17. The product of two consecutive natural numbers is 600. Then the numbers are 1, 2. These two are consecutive natural numbers. Or 3, 4. Or 2, 3. So suppose this is x plus 1. This is x plus 1. X and x plus 1 are two consecutive natural numbers. The product x into x plus 1 is equal to 600. So 20 and 30 not a consecutive numbers. 35, 36 consecutive numbers. But this is not 26 and 25 also consecutive. Okay. 24 into 25 600, but this two product is not equal to 600. So then option D correct. Or x square x into 1 x minus 600 is equal to 0. 600 25 into 24. 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. Then sum is equal to 600. So x square plus 25x minus 24x minus 600 is equal to 0. First two terms x common, x into x plus 25. Next two terms minus 24 common, x plus 25 equal to 0. So x plus 25 common, x is equal to minus 25 or x is equal to 24. This is does not belongs to n. So x is equal to 24. So x plus 1 is equal to 24 plus 1 25. Then option D correct. Next, instruction, assertion and reason type questions. 18 to 25. 18 to 25 questions assertion and reason type questions. All questions options. Option A, both assertion A and reason R are true and reason R is the correct explanation of assertion. Both correct and R is the correct explanation of A. B option, both assertion and A and reason R are true, but reason R is not the correct explanation of assertion. Next, third option, C, assertion A is true and reason R is false. Option D, assertion A is false and reason R is true. Next question, 18th problem. 8th term from the end of an AP, 18, 14, 10, 6, and so on minus 10. From last to nth term formula, an is equal to L minus of n minus 1 into D. Here L is equal to last term minus 30 minus is required 8th term. A8 is equal to, so 8 minus 1 into common difference 14 minus 18 minus 4 into minus 4. 8 minus 1 7, 7 into minus 4 minus 28, minus into minus plus 28, minus 30 plus 28, both are opposite sign, then difference is equal to 2, but highest number sign minus 2. So answer minus 2 correct. Reason, the an from the end of an arithmetic progression with last term L and common difference D is L minus of n minus 1 into D. So reason also correct. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. So then option A is correct. Okay children, next problem. Next question, 19th. Assertion A. If two tangents are drawn to a circle from external point, then the tangent segment subtended equal angles at the center. This is external point. I draw two tangents. This is center of the circle, radius, angle 90 degrees, 90 degrees. Okay, this is POAB. Triangle OAP and triangle OBP are similar triangles, so that's why center angles are equal. Assertion is true. Reason, a parallelogram is inscribed in a circle, then it is a rhombus. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. AC and BD are diagonals, both are intersected at O. These two angles are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Next, OA and OC, OB and OD bisects. So that's why these two are congruent triangles. These two are also congruent triangles. The congruent triangles corresponding sides are equal. So reason also correct. But answer, assertion and reason both are true, but reason is not correct explanation of assertion. Then both assertion A and reason R are true, but reason R is not the correct explanation of assertion A. Option B correct, 19th bit. Next, 20th bit. Assertion A, the probability of winning a game is 8 by 15. Then the probability of losing the game, 7 by 15. Probability of E plus probability of not E is equal to 1. Probability of E is equal to 8 by 15. Not E is equal to 7 by 15. So 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. 15 by 15. So assertion is true and reason is true. Reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So option A correct. Next question, 21. Assertion A, If the points a1, 2, 0, 0 and c, a, b are collinear, then 2a is equal to b. These 3 points are collinear points, means then area is equal to 0. So 0, 0, x1, y1 and x2, y2. Then area is equal to modulus of x1, y2 minus x2, y1 equal to 0. So x1 is equal to 1 and y2 is equal to b. 1 into b, b. So 2 into a, 2a. 1 by 2 into b minus 2a is equal to 0, or b minus 2a is equal to 0, b is equal to 2a, or 2a is equal to b. Assertion A is true. Reason: the area of the triangle formed by the 3 collinear points is 0. So area is equal to 0. 21 question, option A. Assertion A and reason R both are true, and reason R is the correct explanation of assertion A. Assertion A is correct. Assertion A: if the circumference of two circles are in the ratio 2:3, then the ratio of their areas. Circumference of the circle 2 pi r. So radius are different. 2 pi r1 is to 2 pi r2 is equal to 2:3. Both equal. 2 pi get cancelled. r1 is to r2 is equal to 2:3. Area of the circle formula pi r1 r square. So in here radius r1, pi r1 square is to pi r2 square. Pi get cancelled. r1 is equal to 2, 2 square, r1 square. r2 is equal to 3, 3 square. So 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4:9. Assertion A is true. The circumference of a circle of radius r is 2 pi r. Reason true. Both assertion A and reason R are true, but reason R is not correct explanation of assertion A. Option B correct. Next question. Assertion A: the curved surface area of a cone of base radius 3 cm and height 4 cm. Radius R is equal to 3 cm, height h is equal to 4 cm. Cone curved surface area pi RL equal to pi into R is equal to 3 cm. L is equal to formula square root of h square plus r square. Square root of h is equal to 4, 4 square plus r is equal to 3, 3 square. 4 square 16, 3 square 9, 16 plus 9 25. Root 25 is equal to 5 into 5. 5 3s are 15 pi centimeter square. Assertion A is correct. Next, reason R: volume of a cone equal to pi r square x. Volume of the cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Assertion A is true. Reason R is false. Third, option C is correct. Next question. 24. A die is thrown. Let E be the event that a number appears on the upper face is less than 1. The upper face only possible, then sample space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Less than 1 impossible event. Then probability is 0. Assertion A is false. Reason: the probability of an impossible event is 0. Reason is true. Option D correct. Assertion false and reason is true. Next question 25. Assertion A: root 8 is an irrational number. True. If m is a natural number which is not a perfect square, then square root of m is irrational number. It is also correct. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. And answer A.